Assalamualaikum sir. In this video, my team, Aiman Mukris, Amir Rizwan, Ana Jasmine and Hizari Imran will be presenting our milling lab from week 5. Before we begin our milling process, we should talk about the safety that you should wear before and during the workshop. First, you must have your goggles, and then you must wear long pants that are made of rough or stiff material. Next, you must wear your safety boots. Secondly, you must keep your head tied neatly or out of your face so that it does not disrupt you when you are doing your machining process, such as in our lab today, milling. And then you're going to need to wear your safety jacket. And as for the sleeves, you can either fold it up neatly or you must button it. Note, please, and this is very important, please make sure that you are not wearing any loose accessories. Next is equipment safety. As you can see in the video, Hizari is turning on the main power and then the machine power, and then he is checking the control panel to see if it is turned on. Please ensure that everything is turned off before you begin the machining process, and follow turning on the machine as included in the video.
Before the milling process, measure the raw workpiece to determine how much material needs to be removed. Step 1. Do face cut on both sides to get dimension A. Step 2. Do face cut on both sides to get dimension B. Step 3. Do side cut on both sides to get dimension C. Step 4. Do side cut on both sides to get dimension D. Step 5. Mark a line 10 mm for area E. Step 6. Set the vice table at a 45-degree angle. Step 7. Do chamfer at area E. Defects in milling process. Types of poor surface finish. The first, it is caused by too high of feed rate and also dull tool tip. The solution is to increase the time of machining, use the appropriate tool tip to workpiece material. The second one is the cause of the poor surface finish is chatter. The solution is check if workpiece is secure, and the second one is ensure that the tool tip or work holder is appropriate stiffness.